The phishing email. One day, at Secure Tech Solutions, Emma received an email that seemed urgent. The subject line read, "Account verification required." It appeared to be from her bank, complete with their logo. Curious, Emma began reading it, but noticed several spelling mistakes and a strange sender address. Remembering her recent training on phishing, she hesitated before clicking the link. Instead, she decided to verify directly with her bank. When she called, the bank confirmed it was a phishing attempt. Relieved, Emma reported the email to IT. That recognizing these threats could protect both her personal information and the company's data. Now, let's test your knowledge with the quiz. Quiz: Phishing Awareness. Question 1. What is a common sign of a phishing email? A personalized greeting. B. Poor grammar and spelling. C. Legitimate email address. D. Clear subject line. Question 2. What should you do if you receive a suspicious email? A. Reply to it. B. Click on the links. C. Verify the sender's identity. D. Forward it to colleagues.